Hey, we are here to bring to you the myth that explains the origin of the Vamasava that set around the areas of Mount Elgon. The Vamasava did not migrate from anywhere, but the Vamasava originated from a man called Mundu, who emerged from a hole on the top of Mount Masava, also known as Mount Elgon. Having emerged from a hole, he started staying around the areas of Mount Elgon, and he came across a very beautiful lady called Sarah, and with Sarah they begot two sons. The first son was Masava, and then the second son was Kundu. So Kundu moved towards those areas of Busoga, and Masava land was left with Masava. So Masava went ahead and got a beautiful Murua lady, and with the beautiful Murua lady they begot three sons. The first son was Mwambu, the second son was Mubuya, and the third son was Wanale. So these three sons of Masava went ahead and gave birth to the clans of the Vamasava. So the first son being Mwambu, he went ahead and gave birth to the clans of Wugu, Ginyanya, Luganya, Halasi, Tandiga, Masifwa, Surani, Lago, Muyovo. Then the second son went ahead and gave birth to the clans of Muvutu, Mushika, Wakoko, Kigai, Wabwala, Mutiru, Mumbo, Luseke, Mututa, and then Mukovero. That is the second son. The third son, Wanale, went ahead and gave birth to the clans of Waguvo, Usano, Wakoko, Musova, Siu, Mkonde, and then Shiende. So these clans of the Vamasava, they have gone ahead to form one house or one unit that unites all the clans, and that is called Inzuya Masava. So Inzuya Masava is the house that unites all the clans of the Vamasava, and is being spearheaded by a king, and that is called Umukuka in Lumasava. So the Umukuka is the overall leader of all the clans of the Vamasava. So the clans of the Vamasava and their different leaders stay around the areas of the Great Mbale, Sironko, Bududa, Bulambuli, Manafa, Namisindwa, and then we have Manafa. So those are the clans of those are the areas where the Vamasava are staying. And then what one also needs to know is that these different clans, basing on their ancestors, let's say Mwambu, we have Wanale, and then Muvuya, they do speak different dialects of Lumasava. And then what one also needs to know is that the Vamasava, or the hole where our great ancestor originated from on top of Mount Elgon, is currently a hot spring, and the Vamasava are very proud to see it around. So the next topic of our discussion, I know many of you are in a curious state. You want to know why the Vamasava, or where the spirit of circumcision originated from, and that is going to be our next topic of discussion. Stay blessed.